Hi everyone, this is Anila Teresa, and in this presentation we will be discussing the major points from the second chapter titled What is Performance from the book Performance Studies and Introduction by Richard Schechner. The first subtopic in this chapter is titled What is to perform? Schechner says that the phrase to perform, when we are defining it or explaining it in association with business, sports, and sex, is to do something up to a standard, to succeed, or to excel. But when it comes to arts, to perform is to put on a show, a play, a dance, a concert, or any artistic performance. In everyday life, to perform is to show off, to go to extremes, to underline an action for those who are watching. That means we are acting or behaving in certain manner to display it to others. So in short, the phrase to perform can be understood in relation to being, doing, showing, doing, explaining, showing, doing. So let's see what being means. Being may be active or static, linear or circular, expanding or contracting, material or spiritual. Being is a philosophical category pointing to whatever people theorize is the ultimate reality. That means existence itself is the ultimate reality, and that itself is what is meant by being, and that itself is a performance. So Schechner says that active or static existence, linear or circular existence, expanding or contracting existence, material or spiritual existence, any kind of existence, any kind of being itself is a performance. Now, doing and showing doing, both are actions. Doing means everyday life activities that we do. Any action that happens under the sun comes under the title doing. So, walking, speaking, brushing, bathing, everything comes under the term doing. Showing doing means when these actions are represented on a screen, in a cinema or drama or any mimetic representation, that becomes showing doing. So a person walking is doing when a person walking is shown in a movie or in a drama, that becomes showing doing. Doing and showing doing are always in flux because they are actions and they are always changing. Explaining showing doing is a reflexive effort to comprehend the world of performance and the world as performance. That means explaining showing doing means explaining the performances. That is the performance studies. So to understand the world of performance and to understand the world as performance, that is what is done in performance studies. So explaining showing doing is equal to what? Performance studies. This comprehension is usually the work of critics and scholars.